I finally got the new Crosman Vapor Max, and I got the detachable stock option from Amazon. I had ordered this about 3 weeks ago from Amazon, kind of right after they had announced this. So I was kind of excited to try a new multi-pump from Crosman. I really do like the 1322 pistol. It's probably one of my favorite multi-pumps that I have, and I really like that thing a lot. So I had high hopes for this, but unfortunately, obviously it's broken in half. I can't really do anything with it. And about a week ago, before I had received mine, I was on the forums just scrolling through, and someone else also had theirs arrive broken in half from Amazon. So I don't know if this is an Amazon problem or a Crosman problem, but it does kind of seem to be more on Crosman, because the way that this buttstock is attached is with these points here that is molded in, and it just looks like a pretty crappy design. I don't know why they chose to do this and why they just didn't make it a single piece and then like screw it together. I don't know. Can't say why they made those decisions, but unfortunately, this is the reality of the one that I received, and so it's gonna get returned. So that's really all I can do. I really don't want to mess with it anymore because I need to return this. I'll probably end up ordering another one, but it's probably going to take another 2-3 weeks to show up. I don't know why it took so long to come out, even though it said it was in stock and shipping. At this point, I don't think it should discourage anybody from getting one of these. I do see a lot of other people that have had no problems when they got them. Obviously, I don't know where they ordered them from, but it doesn't seem like this is like a widespread problem, at least to my knowledge. So unfortunately, I'm just going to have to end this video here, but I'll probably do some close-ups on kind of what happened. So one of the weird things is that the box is fine. So there's no damage to my box that it came shipped in, which is odd because you'd expect something like this to be broken in half to have like a, obvious signs that it had been smushed in transit or whatever, but it's not bent or anything. So I don't really know what the story is on this, but it's broken in half. So anyways, guys, let me know if there's any other air guns I should be looking into in the meantime. I do think it's going to take a while for a replacement to get back to me, so if you guys have any suggestions on other air guns I should look into, they're kind of in that budget range. I still really do enjoy shooting all of those budget air guns. I've been looking into a beam-in, possibly, so let me know what you guys think. But until next time, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.